This is the easy trick. All right, guys, today I'm gonna do all of the tricks, or attempt to do all of the tricks in the green belt. I'm really dreading the front side heel flip. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get that today because I suck at heel flips, but you know what? We're gonna document this whole process. After you've landed your kickflip, your next trick to learn is a combination between a pop shove and a kickflip. That's the varial flip. That's trick number one. So we're gonna go varial flip, backside flip, front side flip, varial heel flip, backside heel, etc. We're basically taking all of those basic tricks and putting them together now. And hopefully I can land all these in somewhat of a reasonable time. I mean, for this one, I can literally probably just do it standing still for my green belt submission. Okay, varial flip, this is going first try. You ready?
Yep.
Butter! Okay, should probably be doing these moving. Okay, next one I'm gonna go probably straight up like that. And of course, a swing and a miss. That never happened, I blame you. Not good, well, we'll rebait it. I'm just not fully getting that 180. You know, we need the full 180, like a good one. I think I landed in just enough bird poop to almost land a good 180, but not quite. Come on, Aaron. Ouch! We're not off to a good start on this challenge. This is the easy trick. This is every try trick. Come on, boy! Okay, we got you right here. First try. Hey, but I'm getting dizzy. Keep going in circles, I'm getting dizzy. Stop getting dizzy. Ugh. This is just embarrassing. Come on, I'm a professional skateboarder. I can do the intermediate tricks. That was not good. Okay, let me just evaluate what's occurring. I'm not popping, and then I'm not flicking good enough. I'm basically just not doing the whole trick at all. So now that I've analyzed that, right here, first try. Bro. I need to land heavier on my right foot and then turn and pivot. Or just do the whole 180 in the air, I could do that too. Oh my word, based on this backside 180, things are not going well. This is the easy trick. Okay, I'm just gonna land one and take whatever. Doesn't have to be perfect, we're progressing here. Okay, whatever, I'll take that one, I'm way better at the kickflip, so I'm gonna go through all the kickflip variations first. I think next one for me, I'm gonna do frontside flip. Woo-wee! Okay, right here. Okay, I'll take that frontside flip. Hard flip is next. We're gonna try this one standing still. First try, we got it first try? Nope. Awkward. Awkward version 2. This one might be easier rolling, but I ain't playing that game. I want it static for this shot right there. There we go. We're getting that flip motion down. Uh-oh, low battery, no! We're getting low on the battery. Okay, we gotta land it here then, first try. Such a weird trick, this one. Not a full rotated 180, but I kind of like that. I wish I could see it, but no time to see it right now. Whatever, I think I'll take that. Okay, I did both kick flips with the shove it, so varial flip, hard flip, frontside flip, backside flip, so the shove it's and the 180s plus the kick flip, that's 4 tricks down. Now, essentially I need to do all that with heel flips. Bro, my literal arch nemesis, the heel flips. First up, easiest one of the bunch, varial heel. Please come easy for me, Aaron, please. First try. It literally slapped me in the butt. Okay, ready? Varial heel, first try. Why, Aaron? Better. I need to keep the board more in front of me though. It's right there, but so not right there. You know what I mean? That is it, boy. Right here, first try. Take it. Okay, varial heel done. Man, I don't know what's next easiest. Inward heel, backside heel. For sure the hardest one for me is frontside heel. I've been dreading that. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to get it, but we're definitely gonna give it a shot. Let's try inward heel, I guess. Also standing still, I don't know if I can do that. We're gonna try though. I need to give this a couple practice goes. Yeah, like that. Okay. Honestly, that kind of worked really well. I'm kind of feeling that. One more. Okay, jump and land on that. I got you. Close. We're getting there. Woo! I'm sweating to the core of my soul. Sweaty, boy. Dang. I kind of like that one, honestly. Yes, that's what I needed right there. Okay, my feet are there. It's sort of like cross leg. On the, like pop it, cross leg flip. Right here, first try. I'm just going a little bit too early, I think, on my flick. Oh! With a little bit of speed, this would go easier. But do I succumb into that, or do I just do it? I knew it! I saw it right there, and I was like, it's within reach. Boom! Bodied. Dang, I had it and I lost it. Lost my concentration. I like that one. Felt good, but I gotta land it cleaner than that. Come on. Wow! I feel like I'm actually starting to get it. Another one, please. Woo-wee! Pure concentration involved. I gotta just get my feet set up right, pop, flick, get the good timing, let it spin, land. I'm there. Oh. I just want to get one where I actually pop it, flick it, catch it, land. That's it. Is that really too much to ask for? Seriously? Right here, I'm landing it. Okay, that was a good lesson for anybody learning how to fall. I should not have put my arm out like that. That was very dangerous. I should have kept it in and let it roll. Woo, that got me spooked. I could have had my arm in a bad condition. Okay, right here, we got it. You know what you do when you fall like that and you get scared? That's it, it's go time. It is time to show the skateboard who's gonna land. There we go, 2 to make it true. Ah! Kind of like that one, that felt kind of good. Okay, I just had a realization. I'm popping here, like doing a pop shove it, normally I'd be here, but I'm here because that's throwing it up and then it's allowing me to get that rotation, which is good. Now I'm understanding it better. I like the way that felt. I want to land one like that. Same. Woo! Right here for the love. That was not the love. We're running out of time. Okay, I'm spending too long on inward heel. I gotta move to the other tricks because I'm running out of time. But I wanna get one that I'm proud of. It will drive me nuts. And then I'll have a really hard time on the other tricks. So let me get one. Right here for every single one of you out there trying to learn how to kickflip. This is for you. 2 to make it true. Okay, I'm not proud of that one. There was a couple in there that were okay. I'm gonna have to take one of those and move on because we're running out of time. Okay, I'm gonna leave the last 2 ones that I know are the hardest for me. Right now I'm gonna do big spin and tray flip, easy money. Okay, big spin. Tray flip. Okay, I believe the last 2 left are backside heel and frontside heel. And heel flips I suck at, so obviously this is gonna be hard for me. Man, okay, we ran out of time, so I'm gonna have to come back. So right now, I'm gonna clip in the last 2 that I missed so you guys know what tricks they are. Here's a clip of me doing backside heel. Here's a clip of me doing frontside heel. I know, this is a cop-out. I know, I gotta land it in a new unit of time. I'm gonna do that, but right today I'm out of time because we gotta film another video. I'm making these videos to push you guys to progress on your own skateboard. I wanna make a point. I've been skateboarding for 32 years. I've done all of these tricks many, many, many times. Obviously not enough though, otherwise my muscle memory would be really drilled in. I filmed tons of video parts and I've had a I've traveled all over the world learning how to ride a skateboard, but I am still out here today at 42 years old learning the same way that all of you guys are learning. And I think that is so sick. I think that is so beautiful. Keep pushing, keep riding your skateboard, and I will personally teach you how to skateboard on the Braille Skateboarding Academy. Go get it, check it out. I'll see you guys in the app. It's really, really rad. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.